You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.